Challenges and Issues in Instructional Design and Technology, ID&T, by Matthew Wilcox, EDT 600, Introduction to Instructional Design, at St. Thomas University. To understand some of the challenges and issues within the field of instructional design and technology, it's critical to have a contemporary definition. According to Robert Reiser, John Dempsey's work, Trends and Issues in Instructional Design and Technology, an appropriate definition is, the field of instructional design and technology encompasses the analysis of learning and performance problems, and the design, development, implementation, evaluation, and management of instructional and non-instructional processes and resources intended to improve learning and performance in a variety of settings, particularly educational institutions and the workplace. To approach some contemporary issues with ID&T, understanding the learning theory of constructivism will help in developing a student-focused learning environment. Constructivism is a theory that the learner constructs knowledge rather than just taking in information. Worldly experiences are received by the learner, then later interpreted as pre-existing knowledge for when new information is gathered. In short, constructivism places a greater responsibility on the learner to engage on their learning, and less focus placed on the instructor so the student will embrace their newly learned information. There are many challenges and issues in ID&T, however we will discuss 5 major challenges. First, discovering if the learner has prior knowledge and being able to relate to the task. Second, understanding the learner. Third, designing authentic tasks for the learner to fully engage. Fourth, ensuring learner collaboration. And finally, assessment, retention, and reflection of the learner. Learner having prior knowledge and relating to the task. There are some important questions to ask in order to not encounter an issue with the learner and technology. Does the learner have prior knowledge of hardware and software? How can technology implemented be instructionally designed to benefit the learner's needs? Does the course instruction with the instructional design and technology relate to the learner's interests, needs, tasks, and wants? All too often, these types of questions are overlooked. Understanding the learner. For the instructor, understanding the learner's age, background, socioeconomics, education level, and overall need is key to instructional design for technology. Knowing the learner's personality is key to target academic needs and design instruction that supports the learner. Many times, instructors do not discover their learner's background or do not understand enough of the learner to adequately produce effective instructional design. Designing authentic tasks. Following instructional design models, implement processes such as ADDIE. Designing tasks that are real-world and may be viewed as critical to the learner will allow for learner buy-in and enable the learner to retain information. This is where many in the instructional design and technology field have difficulties as they do not relate the instruction to a learner's experience or understood needs. Ensuring learner collaboration. Technology can have an isolating effect, so ensuring that the learner has a task that encourages or even requires group collaboration is critical for the growth of ideas. All too often, instructors use technology only as an individual effort and not as a collaborative tool. There are many types of assessments, but 2 which are most prevalent: summative and formative assessments. A summative assessment measures a student's knowledge and skills at a specific point in time. A formative assessment provides information during the instructional process before summative assessments are administered. Technology has changed the very way in which assessments are delivered, yet if not properly managed, they can be ineffectual. This is a significant issue with technology in education, as assessments can be manipulated in a variety of ways to give inaccurate readings. However, if properly implemented, technology can assess learners with precision in ways that traditional methods cannot. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful in bringing awareness to some challenges and issues in the field of instructional design and technology.